Alright, y'all, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all 5 online business ideas for beginners that you can start with little to no money, that you can literally get up and running as soon as today if you listen and, actually take action on it. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything important. And for those that's interested in learning how to make money online and the products that I promote, all that good stuff, right now I'm running a 5-course bundle right now for only $30. You get access to my Facebook ads course, YouTube ads, YouTube marketing, Instagram, Bing, Google ads if I haven't said it already, and Craigslist and other traffic sources. Basically everything I learned online to get to where I'm at right now. So if you're interested in that, click the first link in the description or in the comment section down below. Now without further ado, let's get straight into it. Alright, so online business number 1, which is my personal favorite, which is selling a course. Selling a course is basically selling your knowledge. A lot of people hold back from selling a course because they feel like their ideas or what they know is, saturated or whatnot. Thing is, it could be 10 different people selling a, how to make money online course, but every single person is talking about a different way of doing it. Some people might not like Facebook ads. Some people might not like Instagram. Some people might not like YouTube. You might be good at, maybe Udemy or not Udemy, but, Quora, Pinterest. You might be really good at that. So the way you should look at it is, okay, I know something unique that most people is not offering to sell. So let me go ahead and put together my own course. And like I said, what I did was put together over the last couple of years, I done made 5 or so different courses. This is my Instagram course, my Sapphire course, my Elite course where I teach Facebook and Bing ads, my YouTube course where I teach how I started and grew my YouTube channel to 15K subscribers, my CPA affiliate marketing beginners course where I teach free and low cost traffic strategies to promote CPA and affiliate offers. And I basically just made a bundle for that. Like I said, this is my favorite way to making money online, and using this selling courses strategy, I was able to make all time $95,687. Yesterday I was at 180. Today so far it's still 7 o'clock. I'm only at 60. Let me refresh the screen, see if I got any more sales. Alright, so I'm still at 60, man. I'm about to go make a few posts on Instagram and see if I can ramp up some sales. I really want to cross at least $200 today, so still got time. But like I was saying, yeah, if you got a skill, whether you're good at affiliate marketing, you're good at Forex, maybe you're good at cooking, what else? Fitness, anything really. Anything you could think of, there's something that you're good at that you can sell a course on. So definitely go do some research on, selling courses and things like that, because like I said, this is my number 1 money maker that I've been using since I've been online. And my second online business idea is actually starting a YouTube channel. If you've been following along, I have my YouTube channel since, I want to say, June 2018. Published hundreds of videos. You can scroll down and see for yourself. I'm a very camera shy person too. That's the crazy part. But I knew I had goals I wanted to reach and things I wanted to do, so I had to step out of my comfort zone, start getting on camera. And like right now, I could do, at first it took me probably 2 days to record an 8-minute video. Now it takes me 8 minutes to record an 8-minute video, with practice and just uploading videos on a consistent basis. I pretty much mastered YouTube, and going over my YouTube earnings so far, I ain't gonna say I mastered YouTube, but my channel so far got 1.2 million views and made almost $19,000 in the last couple of years, man. I got monetized, I want to say early 2019. So I started June, when I was recording videos from June to sometime, whether it's January or March, I can't really remember. So that's about 7-8 months before I got monetized, and the sky's the limit from there. So same thing with YouTube. If you got a skill or you knowledgeable about a certain subject, you can easily make YouTube videos on a day-to-day basis. Right now I'm uploading 3 videos a day, so as you can see, so far I uploaded 2 videos today. I got one scheduled for I think 7 or 7:30. So if I could do it, you could do it. Literally, like if you knew me in person, you knew I don't even talk that much. I'm a very introverted person, and for me to be doing YouTube full time like this should be motivation to you. Like, hey, I need to step out my comfort zone and start creating content, because at the end of the day, you could turn one hustle into 3. So like I was saying with the course selling, if you're good at, let's say for instance, you're good at trading Forex. You're making money trading Forex. That's one income stream. You're creating content on YouTube, teaching people how to trade Forex for free. That's YouTube AdSense money. And then number 3, you can create a course teaching people how to do Forex, learning your advanced strategy. So just having a YouTube channel, you can turn one hustle into 3 by doing what I just told you with the course, doing Forex, and actually with YouTube AdSense. That's my results of my YouTube channel. Next thing I want to do is show y'all the 3rd online business idea, which is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, for those of you that don't know, You promoting products and services that you do not own or touch or operate or anything like that. You're basically getting paid to promote other people's products and services in exchange for a commission. And this is one of the most popular affiliate networks that I'm a part of. I made a lot of money in. They basically got offers in every niche or category that you could think of: surveys, weight loss, credit, VPNs, ringtones, stuff like that. They pay out anywhere from like 60 cents per lead all the way up to, $100, $200 per sale. So my results in Max Bounty, just in this one account alone, if I scroll down, I was able to make $8,400.92 just in this account alone. I probably done blew through probably 4 Max Bounty accounts. I for sure is in the 5-figure range, mid 5-figure range with Max Bounty. And let me refresh the screen, show y'all this is real proof. So even me, I was promoting credit offers, Fortnite offers, parenting offers, survey offers. I was promoting 1,000,001 different things and getting results. So if I could do it, you definitely can. Sent almost 30,000 clicks in total. And yeah, made almost, what was it again? $8,400. So that's pretty much affiliate marketing. You can start that with, $100 or less. Some people start for free. At the end of the day, it's all about just getting started. Now, the fourth income stream or online business you can start is actually being a freelancer. So here goes another income stream where you're putting your skills to use. So if you're good at graphics and design, you can come here and sell, graphic design services. So let me hover over graphics and design. So maybe you're good at creating logos, game art, illustrations, postcards, let's see, maybe app designs, email designs. They got a bunch of different things that you can go and sell on here if you're good at that. So if you went to school for graphic design, you could easily come here and make at least $1,000 a month just being a freelancer. Digital marketing, if you're good at social media marketing, search engine optimization, advertising, content marketing, the list goes on. They got pretty much everything on here that you could think of. And I'm pretty sure everybody watching this video can do some type of freelancing gig over here on Fiverr. I'm actually in the process of setting up my Fiverr account so I can start selling my services, because I'm good with social media marketing, good with pretty much graphic design, pretty much everything when it comes to building an online business. So I'm about to come over here, put together probably 5 or 10 gigs of my own and start selling it. You can charge anywhere from $5 to hundreds of dollars once you get your account up and running. Let's see. Oh yeah, a good tip for anybody starting out on Fiverr: if you're creating your first gig for the first time, you definitely want to go have your friends and family members go and purchase your gig so you can get some reviews and basically start getting your gig at the top of the search results, because a lot of people don't get any type of traction on Fiverr because nobody is ever seeing them because they don't have any orders or reviews. So like I said, have friends and family go purchase it from your link, and you can pay them back or you can just have them pay you. Really don't matter. Definitely want to get about at least 5 reviews for whatever product that you're selling so you can get at the top of the search results. So that's online business number 4. And the last one I got for this video is dropshipping. A lot of people had they first come up with, dropshipping. I know I did back in like 2016 or 2017, something like that. But my first success I had online was literally with dropshipping. I was selling a Superman keychain that I was buying from AliExpress for probably $1 or $2, and I was selling on my own store for like $8, I think. And whenever a customer paid on my store, I went and brought it for $2 and sent it directly to the customer. That's basically what dropshipping is. And I got an example pulled up of this website right here. I'm actually about to place an order with them to get a neon sign. So right here, let's just shop all neon sign just so I can show y'all what it looks like. So you can see they charging $2.95 for this product, but if you go over to AliExpress, let me see. Let me try to find the exact one. Good vibes only. I think it was about to come up. Good vibes only neon sign. See if it comes up. So as you can see, they selling basically the same thing for a third of the price. This one is $132. They selling on their store for $2.95. This one $66. This one $58. $155. So they're basically doubling, if not tripling, their money by marking up the price on their store and just making it look like an official store. That's why people is paying, triple, double, and triple, because it's branded like a real store. That's basically dropshipping in a nutshell. I haven't did dropshipping myself in a few years, but It still works to this day. All it is, long story short, is arbitrage. A lot of people don't do the research to go find where they can get better deals from. So they just go to the first thing that they see that looks trustworthy. So that's pretty much the 5 online business ideas that you can start in 2021 with little to no money. Like I said, first was creating a course, selling your knowledge, your skills, and things like that. Package it into a video course or a PDF, however you want to do it. Second one, which was starting a YouTube channel. So whatever skill or knowledge that you got about a particular subject, start a YouTube channel, start creating content around that, and you can start selling your courses, your merch, getting AdSense money, all that good stuff. A third one, which was affiliate marketing, where you promoting products and services you don't own. In exchange, get a commission for every sale that you generate. My favorite affiliate network is Max Bounty. They got other ones like ClickBank, things like that. The fourth one, which was Fiverr, where you could basically sell your services as a freelancer. So if you're good at graphic design, digital marketing, writing, translation, animation, stuff like that, you can easily come here and make $1,000 a month or better. And last but not least, we got dropshipping, where we basically selling products, again, that we don't see, own, touch, ship, or anything that we sell on our own store for double or triple that we get from basically the Chinese stores and stuff. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, man. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And like I said at the beginning of the video, interested in my 5-course bundle right now, it's on sale for only $30, man. So definitely go check me out, man. And I will see y'all in the next video.